Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm about to be doing an install on the Sensational Butter Lace in Bohemian 28 inches. It is a melted lace. It's really nice, y'all. It was $79.99, but it was 35% off, so it ended up being around 50 something dollars. It came in 6 different colors. The color I got was gold, I believe. So yeah, now I'm just taking it out of the pack and showing you guys the hair and the lace. It melts pretty easy. That's the parting. And then it has a little bit of space to pluck around the hairline. So all I did was go in with some foundation on the lace, and it has adjustable straps and combs. It is big head friendly. I can say that this lace was easy to install. So if you're a beginner, this wig is definitely for you. It doesn't require a lot of maintenance. It's super easy, and the lace goes from ear to ear. It is 28 inches, and that's how long it is stretched out on myself. I am 5'3", so it is pretty long and it's full. So if you don't like a lot of hair, this might not be for you, because y'all, this hair gets everywhere. I was having such a difficult time maneuvering with this hair. Like, it just was too much. So I'm thinking about cutting it because it's just a lot of hair. Listen, I was so sloppy right here putting the foundation on to blend it because I already had on makeup. So we just gonna skip through that. Now I am plucking the hairline, and let me tell y'all gonna see a difference. I'm about to, show y'all the unplugged side and the plugged side, and it just made it look so much more natural. Like, look at that. Oh, look at that. And then look at the other side. So I went ahead and plucked the other side off of camera. Now I'm just going in and reparting it. I suggest you not to comb this hair, not to brush it, because it will get tangled and it'll just be a bushy mess. So please do not do that, okay? Just, you know, put some mousse on it and rub your fingers through it and you should be good. Now I'm going in with some concealer in the color Toffee, and I am putting it on the parting area. Listen, these synthetic wig companies is not coming to play, y'all. They is coming out with the heat. Usually I do reviews on human hair, but I had to do a review on this because this wig is popping, okay? Now I'm just about to do my baby hairs, and just look at that. That is melted. What lace, honey? What lace? Come on, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Yeah, next I'm about to just go in with my mousse, and I'm just about to, you know, put that all over just so it doesn't be like a little bushy. It'll give you that wet look, you know. And like I said, just run your fingers through it. Do not comb it, do not brush it, because you will mess this wig up because it's not made for that. I didn't see much shedding, but it does tangle, you know, if it's not properly cared for. I wouldn't suggest sleeping with this wig. If you do, I would suggest putting on a bonnet and a scarf before, you know, just to make sure that the wig stays intact. So yeah, I think that's it. Comment down below what other wigs you guys want me to review. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you are subscribed, thanks for watching. Keeping you ladies fine, one tutorial at a time. Look at that. That is melted. Yes. Come on, man.